Okay, good morning guys. This is OAG Farms. Welcome to my channel. Today we're about to treat a topic, very important topic, animal entanglement or rope entanglement. Most of the times you see people tying their animals wrongly. They will just tie the animal, they don't know how to tie the rope well. So mostly it can even cause death to the animal at times. Or stagnation. You see the animal face bloating due to blood not flowing or circulating properly to the brain. So today we tackle this once and for all. This is an important, very important topic. So without spending my time, let's go with me so that I will just show you how to tangle the rope properly so that to prevent animal entanglement of ropes. So let's go. So we just check the length of the rope. We check the entire length of the rope. So let's say probably here will match fit with the animal's neck. Normally, there will be space for the animal to breathe or eat properly. So let's say this way, this way. So we are going to tie a knot. We're going to tie a knot at this very end. At this very end. At the very end, you tie a knot like this at the very end, and you come again, you tie another knot. This is how you do it. You tie another knot like this. Yes, a knot like this. You pass it through here, this side, and you make it tight. And mind you, the length of the second knot, it should be very long. It should be very long, so that when the animal strangles or try to struggle, the rope wouldn't push back through the hole, thus leaving the animal or making the animal free. So the end should be very long. So let's do it. When the animal goes back, now after tying, when the animals go back, the entire thing will hit this side. You see, like this. So the second knot will come and hit the first knot. When it hits it, it will block. So if the animal is pulling back, still this side will be free because there's a space. It won't go back, thus entangling the animal. Just like this, simple step. Just like this. So at times to the rope, we have different kinds of ropes. You have a second one like this, of which they've created the hole already. They have a hole here already. So you will just only use the tip of the rope, the end, to pass through the rope so that you get a shape like this. But mind you, this one too is like the one we did the first time when I tried to do. When the animal pulls back like this, it's going to entangle the animal. When the animal pulls back, it's going to entangle the animal. It will cause another problem with rope entanglement. So what do we do? This one too, we're going to tie a knot like we tied the other one too. Like we tied the knot like the first one. So let's say this side, we want to make it this very big like this. So we tie the knot here. We tie the knot here like this. So after you see the tip through the hole, when the animal pulls back, the second knot or the knot we make will hit the rope, the end knot, so it won't go. So it will be like this. That's helping us tie the animal properly. So this will prevent rope entanglement. Just like this, we are done. So thank you. If you are new to my channel or you are watching this video for the first time, this is OAG Farms. This is OAG Farms, as you can see. OAG Farms. So I do livestock farming. So subscribe, like, and comment so that I can learn, or we can all learn together going through this entire journey or this process. Most of the times, if I hear farmers complaining of animal death and stuff due to how badly they tie their ropes, so I just made this video for the solution. So you can rewind or replay or slowly play the video again so that you can get the whole process. how to properly tie your animals. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Simple, nice one. So it's free.